So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get TradingView's API key. So starting off, the main thing you want to know is that TradingView doesn't really offer an API key. So that may come to you as a surprise, but there's a way to connect it if you really are interested in that kind of thing, which would be your webhook, and then you can go to your TradingView broker's ID. So you can set up your webhook alerts to get from external platforms, as it's called here. So then you can get your broker ID and then set it up like that, so you can attain that webhook and in change to get your ID, or rather in this case your API, so it's accessible through there. So you can see compare it with S&P 500. You can see your profile, your community forum, your news, your ideas, then technicals as well, so seasonals and some other stuff that is all available to you, and you can do it through your TradingView, but you can't really access your API without a webhook if you're looking to automate certain processes or to set up to get certain stocks to buy or sell at a certain point. So if you want to automate your process, the main way would be through a third-party tool. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on TradingView or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.